The lower Illinois River is fed mainly by the Southwestern Power Administration when they need to generate more hydroelectric power. The 10-Killer Ferry Lake Dam was completed in 1952. The lake got its name from a family of Cherokees by the name of 10-Killer, who operated a ferry in the area pre-dam. For the past 60 or so years, this has been a trout fishery that has been enjoyed by many state and out-of-state anglers. From the beginning, there have been groups of conservationists that have had issues with this. Originally, the issue was that I guess it kind of just happened. People were frustrated that it didn't receive due public process on the decision to make this area a trout fishery. The other issue that continues to this day for some groups is that introducing non-native fish to streams like this can have a negative impact for our native fish. The impacts are still being studied and reviewed, and there are some. Personally, if I had to choose between catching native fish versus catching stalker trout, I'm going native all day, but there isn't data to support us having to make that choice. On the flip side of things, it really can't be stressed how much this fishery has benefited the local and state economy. Places like Gore and some of these local resort-like areas have made millions of dollars, provided more jobs for the area, and in the process, fishermen like us have increased opportunity in the state to target some trout in yet another beautiful Clearwater stream with awesome stretching precipices, rolling hills, and really nice campsites spread everywhere. The more fishermen that buy fishing license or outdoor permits or parking spots, the more our experience fishing and camping can improve, as well as the conservation efforts across the state, which I'm in full support of. Right now, though, I'm in full support of catching some friggin' trout in Oklahoma. All right, so we just got here. We're at the Simpin Helen Watts area. Water looks pretty deep, but we're gonna see what we can do.
That's why we have cases or tubes.
How you feeling?
Excited. I'm already cold. Trying to get bundled up before we go out. Woo.
Dude, this is deep as shit.
Is there a trail down here?
Yeah. All right, so we've been out here about 20 minutes. Throwing an egg right now. I'm kind of on this little side stream, and Bobby's over there, kind of in the main river, and I don't know where my dad's at. Been out here about an hour, and I don't think anybody's got anything. I need to meet up with the other guys, but nobody else out here. Pretty rough conditions out here, but we're gonna keep grinding. Whew.
Yeah, so like I just have too much slack in my line and I can't set the hook.
Yeah. But dude, I'm freezing my ass off.
Dude,
It's pretty cold. This was not frozen 20 minutes ago. Oh. Yeah. That's the first real aggressive hit I've had.
That little brown?
I can't really tell yet.
I just saw it.
Oh, this makes me so happy. That's Rainbow. Hey, could you net this for me, Dad? I just realized I put my net over there when I was warming up a second ago. Heck yeah. Thank you. Sweet. See. I think it's a little bigger than the last one. Gosh, line's freezing up again.
Oh yeah, dude.
See if I can get, can't feel my fingers to grab my net. Heck yeah, dude. Oh man.
What?
I can't feel my fingers to get this bait out. It's like I can't even grab it. I'll have to get my pliers out. We've, Bobby's still out there trying to get on the board. My dad headed back to the car a little bit ago, and Bobby and I just keep getting bites and missing them. But I'm moving around trying to get warm. It took me a while to get that fish unhooked because I just couldn't feel my hands. But we keep missing a lot of fish on the hook set because we'll go to set the hook and we'll realize that our guides are frozen, so we can't even pull the line to set the hook. But we're grinding. About to go warm up for a minute. Damn. There we go. So we're back for round two. We just had Big Daddy's. That's the name of the restaurant. That's the special of the day. It was a pot pie, some coffee. Just had Big Daddy's, ready to catch some Big Daddy's out on the water. We got to get Bobby on the board.
Can't get skunked.
Can't get beat by Old Man Smith.
Did get skunked.
Heck yeah. All right. When we rolled up to our second spot after lunch, there was a father and son spin fishing. The son was bragging that he was catching more than his dad, who was of course doing all of the tenuous management of a 6 to 8 year old's fishing pole and tackle. I couldn't help but sit and be thankful for still fishing with my dad to this day. He's the one that put a fishing pole in my hand shortly after I learned how to walk. He's the one that took me outdoors and showed me how to open my eyes and see the beauty in all this.